My daughter is getting married. And since Mom was a wreath maker, she figured, hey, Mom can make the centerpieces. So this is how I made these cute centerpieces. I got slices of logs. These are about 2 inches thick. I let these sit out and dry for quite some time, and then we sanded them down. Then I got some Danish oil, and I rubbed that on the rounds in order to bring out the different grains and textures within the wood. Once I got that on the top, I also rubbed it around the edges. That way it kind of gave a consistent color. See, a whole bunch to do. And I started with some lamb's ear. I got some from Michael's and also some from Hobby Lobby. The wedding section has them for $1.99. And then these are Ling's Moment flowers. These are foam flowers that worked beautifully. This is a cardboard wreath ring I got from Michael's. I spray painted these silver very lightly and they held up very, very well. So I used a pair of pliers to hold the nail in place and I nailed the hoop directly into the wood. I used about 3 to 4 nails. That made sure that it was nice and secure. And then as I added the hot glue to hold the other attachments, that added to the stability as well. I added the lamb's ear first, and then I used hot glue to put dab in place and bend it, kind of put a couple different pieces. I like the ends to kind of come up, sort of mimic the way the hoop comes upward. So I attached about 4 to 5 pieces of the lamb's ear. And all I used was hot glue. It stayed in place pretty well. And that is to hold the place cards for the table. That's hot glued right on. And then I used hot glue to put the Ling's Moment flowers on. I left some of the stems on so I could glue the wire, but I also glued the flowers themselves. And that's what the first side one looks like. And here's what the other side looks like. And then you can see there is the table number card holder right in the center. I made 16 centerpieces. And this is what they looked like on the tables. It looked beautiful.